Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Hi guys, welcome to Get a Better Life TV. Thank you for supporting me on this channel by liking my videos, commenting, and some of you have been supporting me via my donation page. I thank you all, and I say a big thank you to you guys. It's been a while that I've talked to you. I've been very busy moving around Yoruba land to interview our Babalawos and Onisegun, as you have seen them on my channel. Now this is going to be a quick one. I want to address an issue, which is the way people are calling the Babalawos that I have on this platform. The essence of the interview that I've been granting these Babalawos is for them to explain our spirituality to you guys, is to explain what they know concerning Ifa religion and other Yoruba spirituality that you may need to understand. Now, I have been receiving some messages that some of the Babalawos are charging exorbitantly. This job that I'm doing is all about researching, right? So when I go to a village, I do make inquiries, and then know about the Babalawos, the truthful Babalawos that are in the town, right? And from there, when I do my cross-examination to the best of my knowledge. Now, bringing such a Babalawo to my platform is for the Babalawo to explain what we need to know concerning Ifa religion or Isheshe in general. You see, now giving them the opportunity to share their contact with you guys is for you guys to have the opportunity to talk to them, right? I am not promoting them for any reason, but I am giving them the opportunity, and as well giving you guys the opportunity to talk to whoever you want on this platform, right? So now I've been receiving some messages that the Babalawos are charging exorbitantly, which now I want to address. So henceforth, any Babalawo that I will be bringing to this platform will henceforth be explaining their divination system and how they will be going about their divination with you guys, such as the amount they will be collecting for their consultation, right? Which is very important, because I heard someone told me that one of the Babalawos just said you have to pay a certain amount of money before a consultation can be made, right? And the amount is a bit exorbitant, right? So henceforth, they will be telling you guys what they want to take for their consultation, which should be very moderate, which should be affordable. So guys, thank you guys. Keep on supporting me. I have a lot to do on this channel to dish out for you guys. Okay, so watch out. Thank you, and get a better life. Bye.